Greetings to everyone on my daily disaster news channel. The information in the video shows an incident in Volos, Greece. At least one person has gone missing after torrential rains hit part of central Greece, turning streets into flooded torrents. Storm Daniel has been hitting western and central Greece since Monday, prompting hundreds of calls to emergency services asking for water to be pumped out. Authorities have restricted traffic across much of Volos as TV footage shows heavy rain washing cars onto muddy banks. The police ordered the vehicles to clear the streets of Volos and surrounding areas. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.
Δεν υπάρχει χρόνος. Ο χρόνος έχει περάσει για να αρχίσουμε πλέον